Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to humidify your house if your house is so dry and you have a dry air in the house, because when it's too cold like -20, the air is so dry that a little moisture in the air will just turn into snow and it won't come into your house. So inside your house is so dry that sometimes it you have a nosebleed. But I found this thing in eBay, ultrasonic. It's like a speaker, but when you dip it into the water, it pumps the air out and throw it in the air, and a very fine mist. So it's USB plug, so you can use any power source and plug it into USB. You only use this on the winter time, because on the summertime you get lots of moisture in the air, so you don't need that. So I'm gonna show you right now how it works. So I plug it in the wall, and I got a bucket of water, or not really a bucket, a little container with water, maybe around 1.5 liters. So I filled with water. So in my experience, it only takes 24 hours to empty the container. So it means it's working, and the house has a little bit moist in the air. So I'm gonna test it now. And the water will be carried out all over the house with the power of the air that comes out from the vent, which is here. And that mist that you see will turn into like more on evaporate more, so it will humidifies your house. So I just leave it on for 24 hours, and then put some more water when it's dry. And it's not really dangerous because it's USB powered. It only like use so little power. But there's some other stuff that you can buy that they are more expensive, so they have their own container. And yeah, but this one is for something that for emergency use only. It's very convenient to use, because my house doesn't have a humidifier installed, so every winter it's a little bit hard for us. But this one really helps at all, because if the air is so dry, you're gonna have a dry nose, and then sometimes you're coughing, and this one really helps. If you want, you can put some essential oil in it, just one drop, just enough for the water to smell. But I'm not really recommending put some essential oil, because when it gets into the hole, I don't know if it should be able to pump it out. So this is the water come in and it comes out, and it has like sensor. That's why it lights up when you dip it in. Okay, so I hope it will help everyone. See you soon. See you next time.